Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a cotton candy machine at home. First, gather your essential components. You'll need a small motor, a clean tin can, and a reliable heating element. Ensure all your electrical connections are secure and properly insulated for safety. Also, prepare a sturdy base to support the machine's spinning mechanism. This foundation is crucial for stability. Now, let's assemble the machine. Begin by securely attaching your motor to the sturdy base you prepared. Next, carefully mount the tin can onto the motor's shaft, making sure it is perfectly centered for balanced rotation. Finally, position the heating element strategically near the can. This placement is key for efficiently melting the sugar and creating those fluffy strands. With your machine assembled, it's time for the fun part, making cotton candy. Turn on the motor and heating element. Once the can is spinning and warm, carefully add granulated sugar. Watch as the sugar melts and spins out into delicate threads. Use a cone or stick to gather the spun sugar, twirling it to form your delicious, fluffy treat. Enjoy your creation. Safety is paramount when using your homemade cotton candy machine. Always supervise children closely during operation. Remember to disconnect the power before cleaning or performing any maintenance to prevent accidents. Now, you're ready to enjoy your sweet success. Experiment with different sugar flavors and colors. For more great tips and deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, check the description below. Happy spinning!
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.